Hiya, day 83. So I've literally just come in from a bowls match, so I'm going to make this a very quick one. I've got a very busy schedule with the bowls in the middle of the season now. And yeah, so I've got a call as well in about 5 minutes time with an app who wants Steve and I to have a chat with them. They've got their wife going to sit in on the call because they want the wife to hear about all what SFM is involved with, because they'd like their partner on board with them. So we get this quite a lot, whether it's because we're a couple and they see that from all the emails and things they get, or whether they just want the support themselves, you know, from their partner. So they've reached out to us and asked us for this call, so we've got that scheduled in a few minutes, as I said. So I'm going to fly through this. So yeah, we have had one of our members upgrade to Elite yesterday, which I totally forgot to mention in here. And I've come off another call this afternoon with another one of my members who is, she is really, I mean, you can never count your chickens, I know that, but she is really she convinced me that she's definitely going to Elite, but obviously until it's done you can't count it, can you? So yeah, but that's great news. So traction is definitely on the go, and I've had a few more emails in today, and my Let's Chat email that I put out, was it yesterday or day before? I've already got people coming in on that, wanting to arrange calls. So I said to Steve, I think we're at that point now where we need to start with our Calendly, because I hadn't done it. I've just basically been winging it one, really, just sorting out dates and things in our diary when we can fit in around people. But I think now we've put that out into our campaigns, we're going to get quite a few people coming through, so I think it's going to be a lot easier to use the automated system that we should be using and use Calendly. And then it means I'm not going to be stuck at the end of my phone trying to, you know, to-ing and fro-ing, trying to work dates out when we can meet up to have these sort of half-hour chats that the leads are after. So yeah, so things are definitely on the up, and the members coming through seem super keen. So whether that's the new ad that's bringing in a slightly different clientele, I don't know. We'll wait and see. You never know, do you? I mean, people coming off various ads. But I'm about to reshoot. I've been waiting. The last sort of 3 days, I've got the main ad that's got me most of the traction in this business, and most of my members have come in off. I wanted to reshoot because it was still referring to the 7-day videos, and I'm trying to move everything across to the 4-day workshops. And every time I have gone to shoot this blooming ad, we've either had rain or high winds, and I can't get a perfect day to go out. And I've just said to Steve, tonight, like now, is absolutely perfect. I could just shoot, run down the garden and do a shoot. But I was like, I've got a call with a member like in minutes. So yeah, I shall see what tomorrow looks like. And I'm praying for a really good day, and then we'll get that done. Also, another positive note, my juices arrived today. So my whole day is, I thought they were arriving yesterday, but I misread the email. So they've arrived today, so I'm on the bought-in juices, so no more messing around with that blooming juicing machine. I'm sick and tired of trying to clean it. So yeah, it's bliss. So I might just keep buying them in. It's the what is it, the lazy way of juicing. But anyway, right, I'm going to dash because I've got to speak to this app member. So catch you guys tomorrow.